In this video, we're gonna have a look at the structure of this project, and we will also talk about the example scenes from ARCore and ARCore. But first, let's link our project with Unity by choosing here our organization. Now let's have a closer look at the assets. The folder Google ARCore, this is the official from Google. And Unity ARKit plugin, this is the official from Apple. And in these folders we have all the basic example scenes and assets. Then we have the Unity AR interface folder. This is the API from Unity that combines ARCore and ARKit. And this is the main folder from this project. Thanks Networking AR is an example project that already combines multiplayer with augmented reality, but we won't use this because as server-side solution we will use Photon. This is in my opinion much easier to use, and we will also create a multiplayer from scratch. So it's also easier to understand how the multiplayer is working in detail. But for now, let's have a look at the two example scenes from ARKit and ARCore. Because here we will see that both of them have the same high-level features and that the structure of them are basically the same. So let's open the two scenes. First, let's go under Google ARCore, Scenes, Hello AR, and let's open it. And then let's go to ARKit, Examples, Unity ARKit scene, and let's make a right click and click Open Scene Additive to open both of them at the same time. So by default we have activated motion tracking in both scenes. That means if we place objects in the real world, we can, for example, work around the objects. For that we can see the random cube here, for example. In the real world we can work around this cube when we play the scene. The ARCore scene has no random cube, but would we create a 3D cube, then we would also see the motion tracking effect in the scene. And by the way, how we can transfer the scene to our device, we will see soon. For now we will only talk about the basic functionalities. Then by default we have activated future points in both scenes. The future points are the particles that are created by the computer vision algorithm, which I already mentioned. The game objects point-cloud particle example and point-cloud are holding the scripts which are responsible for the future points. Another thing I want to mention now is we will take a closer look at these scripts later, then when we need them. So for now, we only talk about the objects and the structure. Furthermore, we have the plane detection in both scenes. These planes are created by combining the future points. That means planes can be only created when we have detected enough future points. In Google's basic scene, we find the code for the plane detection in the script ARController script on the example controller object, and this is the plane prefab we create here. And in the ARKit scene we find the script on the generate planes object. Hit testing is the next thing we can find in both scenes. With this feature we can place objects in the real world on planes, for example. ARKit has the object hitCubeParent, where you can find the script for this feature. The object we want to place is linked with the script. In this case we can place this 3D object, and in the ARCore scene we can find the same feature in the ARController script. In this script we have this Android and status cube that we can place. And that are basically the important high-level features we can access to. And with those features we can create pretty much every augmented reality app we want. That's it for this video, and in the next video we're gonna have a look at Unity's AR interface. That is the API that combines this both scenes.